Trying to lose weight, but feel hungry all the time? Or do you live with the intestine stuck, feeling bloated? So you are probably missing a simple thing in your routine: soluble fiber with real satiation power. Welcome to Health Mode Review. And today I'm going to show you the 3 best psylliums that really help in weight loss. Starting with the 3rd place, Metamucil Orange Smooth, powder with flavor. This is for you who want practicality and prefer an easier option to take. Metamucil is one of the most reliable brands, and this version with a mild orange flavor is ideal for those who cannot take pure psyllium. It dissolves well in water, forming that gel that prolongs satiety, helps control hunger between meals, regulates the intestine, and also contributes to the control of cholesterol and glucose. That is, you feel less hunger, avoid exaggerations, combat swelling, and still take care of intestinal health with practicality. The average value of the pot with 180 doses is between $33 and $53. I already searched for the best prices. The link is in the description. Click and add to cart. Even if you finish later, you lock the lowest price safely. Second, psyllium from Now Foods in capsules. Now, for you who want to lose weight with health, but cannot stop the day to prepare powder or sachet, this will save you. Now Foods is one of the most respected brands in the world of supplements, and delivers here a version in vegetarian capsules with 700 milligrams of pure psyllium. You only need 2 to 3 capsules with a glass of water before meals. Even in capsule, psyllium acts the same way. It forms a gel that increases satiety, reduces the desire to pinch, and helps regulate the intestine gently. It is ideal for you who eat well during the day, but overdo in the late afternoon or suffer from night compulsion. The pot with 180 capsules costs on average $17 to $33. And take advantage. Have you already signed up for the channel? Here is the place for those who want to take care of their health. And first, Yerba Prima Psyllium Whole Husks Powder. This is for you who want to lose weight with constancy, without starving, and taking care of intestinal health naturally. This purest psyllium on the list comes in powder, thicker texture, no additives, no flavor, and with a very high concentration of soluble fiber. When you mix with water and take before meals, it forms a gel that gives deep and lasting satiation, helps you eat less naturally, control that hunger that seems to never pass. It also regulates the intestine in an intense way, fighting swelling and improving digestion. The 12-ounce pack costs between $16 and $23 and is quite profitable. Click on the link here of the description and already put in the cart, so you take advantage of the offer of the day and guarantees the lowest price safely. Psyllium, when used in the right way, is one of the most simple and effective allies to control appetite, de-inflate, and lose weight with health. Remembering that values can change at any time, so do not leave it for later. If this video helped you, leave the like and subscribe here in the channel. Take care, and we'll see you in the next review.